So how can you transfer a file through the VLC on an iPad? So let me explain how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So you likely have the VLC player ready, but you kind of like wondering about how you get the media or files in here. So if you have some local photos or videos or audio, you can add it into the actual folder of the app, and this can be found in the Files app by going to the On My iPad, and you should be able to locate the VLC folder, and any media which you place in here will be played and it will appear inside of the VLC media player. So if you, for example, have video in your Photos app, you can locate it like this, click on a share, and then save it to the files, but you specifically choose the location to be the VLC folder, and that's how you make it appear inside of that video player. So that's kind of how it works when you want to transfer the files, but through the local device only. So if you have it in one place, you can put it in here and it will be played through the VLC. However, if you would like to access some files which are not locally stored on your iPad, there are still some options when you go to the Browse section, and you can, for example, go to the Open Network Stream. So you can start streaming different content, by using the server. So yeah, you kind of have to make sure you have it set up, right? Or you also have the sharing through Wi-Fi. And it just means that on a different devices, like on your computer, when you get at the VLC player as well, you'll be able to type in or paste these URLs. And through the local Wi-Fi network, you'll be able to put and stream some media as well, right? So no local files required, but you'll be able to just connect it that way. So yeah, let me know exactly in the comments below if we managed to do what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.